Have you ever wondered how we will cope with the growing scarcity of water as our climate continues to change? It's a question that's becoming increasingly relevant as we face a global water crisis. Our planet's freshwater reserves are dwindling at an alarming rate, and climate change is exacerbating the situation. Rising temperatures are causing more evaporation, leading to drier soils and less fresh water available for us and our ecosystems. The chilling reality is that by the middle of the century, a significant portion of the world's population could be living in areas with severe water scarcity. This isn't just a future problem, it's happening now, affecting communities globally. Facing this crisis requires innovative solutions, thinking outside the box and tapping into the potential of science and technology. And that's where we come in. What if there was a way to create water where there isn't any? Yes, you heard it right. Creating water, or more specifically, creating rain. Artificial rain, a term that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction novel, is a reality today. But what exactly is artificial rain and how does it work? Let's break it down. In the simplest terms, artificial rain is the process of inducing rainfall. This is not a random act of nature, but a deliberate, human-led intervention. It's a technique that's been used for decades to alleviate drought, suppress dust, cool down temperatures, and even put out wildfires. The science behind artificial rain is fascinating. It involves a process called cloud seeding. Think of a cloud as a giant sponge in the sky, filled with tiny water droplets. Now these droplets need a little nudge to combine, grow larger, and fall as rain. This is where cloud seeding comes into play. Cloud seeding involves releasing substances into the air that can stimulate these cloud particles. The substances such as silver iodide or liquid propane act like a catalyst, helping water droplets in the cloud to merge and form raindrops. These substances can be delivered by aircraft or ground-based generators. The principle here is simple. Silver iodide and liquid propane have a crystal structure similar to ice. When released into a cloud, they provide a surface for water vapor to condense. As more and more water vapor condenses on these particles, they grow in size until they're heavy enough to fall as precipitation. It's important to note that cloud seeding doesn't create clouds. It simply gives existing clouds a little help in doing what they're naturally designed to do, make rain. And while it's not a guaranteed solution to drought, it's a tool that can certainly help. So we're not just talking about inducing rain. We're discussing a technique that can potentially transform areas suffering from drought. The beauty of artificial rain is that it's a testament to human ingenuity and our ability to leverage science to find solutions to pressing problems. Quite literally, it's about making it rain. And that's something to think about. Artificial rain isn't just a fascinating concept. It's a critical tool in our fight against water scarcity and climate change. This marvel of modern science has the potential to be a game changer, especially in regions that are parched and drought-stricken. By seeding the clouds with substances like silver iodide or liquid propane, we can stimulate rainfall, providing a lifeline to these arid areas. Artificial rain is not only a savior in times of drought, but it also plays a pivotal role in pollution control. When our cities are choked with smog, induced rainfall can help wash away the pollutants, restoring our air to its pure, breathable state. However, this is not to say that the process is without its challenges. The method of cloud seeding requires precise weather conditions and a thorough understanding of atmospheric science. It's not as simple as just shooting chemicals into the sky and waiting for the rain to fall. Furthermore, there are environmental considerations to keep in mind. The chemicals used in the process could potentially have adverse effects on the environment and ecosystems if not managed properly. It's a delicate balancing act, one that demands careful research, planning, and execution. As we continue to grapple with climate change and water scarcity, artificial rain presents a glimmer of hope, a potential solution that could change the game. Artificial rain, once a concept of fiction, now stands as a beacon of hope in our fight against water scarcity. As we've seen, understanding and exploring more about this scientific marvel is crucial. It's innovations like these that hold the power to tackle global challenges, transforming our future for the better. So let's continue to delve into these intriguing realms together. Share your thoughts on artificial rain in the comments below. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights from the world of science.